Okay, Eric, so I see that you want to talk a little bit about custom agents for VCS. What can you tell us about them?
Right. So sometimes a VCS user wants to make an application highly available for which we don't already have a pre-built agent. So in order to do that, you have to understand what all the various application agent components are and what those moving parts do and where they go. So the first thing you have to be able to do is create the types declaration file. You'll notice in VCS that we already have types files for all the pre-built bundled agents like mount points, NICs, IPs, and things like that. And then we also have agents for Oracle and other applications, and each one of those applications has their own types file. What those types files do is describe to VCS the various attributes that go along with a resource type. So, for example, in this example, we'll be using an application called MyApp. So what I have to do is create a types file called MyApp types.cf. And if you look at any of the existing CF files that are installed with VCS, that'll give you an idea of how to create your own types file. Those types files have to be placed in etc vrts vcs/conf/config. And again, if you look at that directory, you'll see all the existing types files for whatever applications agents you've already got installed, plus the bundled agents types. The next part you have to worry about is going to be the agent binary. Now, all the agents for the bundled agents that come with VCS and the ones that you're going to build yourself are going to be in opt vrts vcs/bin. In this directory, there is a pre-existing script agent binary, and it's just called script agent. And that lives in VCS bin. When you create your custom agent, again called MyApp, let me go back to blue for that though, you're going to create a directory under bin called MyApp. In that directory, oops, forgot to cross my T there. In that directory, you will place a symlink, a symbolic link, pointing to script agent or script agent 5.0 or script agent 6.0, as the case may be. And that will be your agent binary. So you don't have to sit down there and code the agent binary yourself using C or C++ or whatever. In that same directory, MyApp, is where you will place your entry point scripts. Now, entry points in VCS agent terminology, it tells the agent to do certain things. The 4 entry points you need to worry about for a custom agent are going to be online, where we start the program, offline, where we stop it, monitor, where we check its state, and clean, where we clean up when things go wrong. So here you'll have scripts named online, offline, monitor, and clean. These scripts can be written in shell. My own personal choice back when I was developing agents was to write them in Perl, but whatever scripting language you're comfortable with is the one you can use for developing your entry point scripts. Online and offline have to return specific return codes. You can return 0, like by default, but what we'll do with non-zero return values is wait that number of seconds before invoking the first monitor cycle. So if you're starting a program that takes some time to start up, you might want to exit the online script with 10, for example, to wait 10 seconds before running the first monitor. If you really want detailed information about how to build these agents and what the appropriate return codes should be from each one of these entry point scripts, please refer to the bundled agents, the agent developers guide.
All right. So it sounds like this can be done fairly easily once the customer actually knows the behavior of their application.
Exactly.
Is that right?
Exactly. And oftentimes the contents of the online and the offline scripts are simply going to be the scripts that already exist to start and stop those programs.
All right. Well, great. Eric, thank you very much for enlightening us a little bit about how a customer can write a custom agent.
Thank you.